fix Roblox not launching problem. So if you want to fix Roblox not launching problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your search. Under search, you need to search for remove or add programs. After that, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go and search for Roblox. After searching, you can go with the right side, which has that three dots. And after that, here you will have an uninstall option. You just need to simply go and uninstall the application. After uninstalling, you can go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And from the browser, you can search for Roblox, go with www.roblox.com and try to play a game. Select a game and then you will have play button, right? So you just need simply select any game that you are comfortable with and then you will have play option. Once you tap on play, it will ask you to install the game. It will also give you the interface from where you'll be able to install it, and you'll be able to install the game if you have a stable internet connection, so make sure that you have that. And after installing, the next thing what you need to do is just remove this, and then you can go with your Windows and R keys and it will open up the run command. So here you need to enter percentage AppData percentage and then hit the enter, and it will take you to the AppData and roaming. So you need to go back to the AppData, and from the AppData you need to go with local, and under local here you will find the Roblox folder. So go and search for the Roblox folder, double tap on it, and here you will have versions. Go with versions, and here you will have the version. After that, just click on versions, and after clicking on the versions, then you just need simply scroll down a bit, and here you will find Roblox Player Launcher. So you just need simply go with Roblox Player Launcher, and once you double click on that Roblox Player Launcher, it will start launching your game. Or you can also just simply search for Roblox now, and after reinstalling it will launch. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.